How to turn on the long press on a key to show the symbol like this here. So our keys on our Gboard keyboard, if you have this setting on and you long press it, you'll get access to that symbol at the top right. So in order for this to show here, the setting you need to do is this one here. So let's say you're about to start typing and your Gboard keyboard pops up like this here. You'll go to the settings icon right up here. And when you do this, you'll see this set of options. Go to Preferences, and tapping on Preferences will give you these other set of options. So go down now and pass all this, and you're going to see long press for symbols. When I turn this on, you will now notice that there are these tiny little symbols to the top right above each key on your Gboard keyboard. And now when you hold it down, you'll notice it's going to reveal that hidden symbol. And when you release it, it will appear into whatever it is that you're typing it on to. So for example, if I hold down on the D, it's going to reveal the $sign. And when I release it, it's going to appear here. And that's basically it, my friends. That's how you would go about to activate this feature, like and said.